Hey guys, so today is the first day of installation. As you can see, my hair is pretty much crazy at this point. I have just started doing my microlock installation. I have done 2 rows so far. And the first section here, which is pretty much like this section here, I have parted into and twisted the sections in the size. I am not going by a predetermined size. I am pretty much eyeballing as I go along to make sure that the rows are pretty much the same and the sizes. In terms of sectioning my parts, I think I'm gonna go not with the brick layer, but I'm pretty much gonna try to follow the parting for the sections as much as I can. But I've installed 2 rows, these 3, and then I have, let me remove my glasses, I have these 3, and then I also have these 2, and you will see that the bottom 2 are a little bit bigger than the 3 on top. That is because I know my hair around the edges are thinner than other parts of my head, and also I don't have much hair right here, so of course putting 3 parts right here wasn't gonna do it, so I had to section it off a little bit bigger than the other section right here. But so far I've installed 5 and it's going pretty good. I mean, the interlocking is not difficult for me. I installed my previous set of Microlocs, so I'm pretty familiar with interlocking. So this is part 1 of installation day. Today is Monday, June 10th, and so this is the first day of microlock installation. I will show you this parting and actually how I go about interlocking, so stay tuned for that. Alright guys, a couple tools for this lock installation. I am using a rat tail tooth comb, a regular comb when this doesn't part properly, and my DIY interlocking tool, and it's just a metal yarn needle that I purchased from Walmart. They came 4 in a pack like this. Okay, came 2 small and 2 big ones, and I used one of the small ones and one of the big ones and turned them into this. This time around I figured it was best to go with a metal needle as opposed to a plastic needle. I've used the plastic yarn needles in the past when I had my last set of Microlocs, and with that I had to actually cut it and file the tip a bit and widen up the hole. This time I figured metal yarn needle was probably best instead of the plastic, so I used that. And the idea, as you can see here, the hole is really small. If I can get it to focus, you can see that the hole is really small, so your lock won't really get through it. So what I did was I actually got this idea with widening up the hole. I got that idea from Braids and Beauty, I believe, and I will link her channel down in the description box. But if you want to use metal needles or a metal tool for interlocking your hair but don't want to spend a lot of money, you can pick up a pack of this for like $1.47, less than $2 at your local Walmart, and then check out Braids and Beauty's channel down below, where you can actually see how to turn the regular metal needle into an interlocking tool. So that's what I'll be using. Okay, so let's get into installing these Microlocs. I have parted this to the best that I can. make sure that the back here is straight. I get that hair out my way. Actually, a twist. Put it up here. Now, I know the hair around the pyramid of my head is very thin. It's a different texture than in the middle of my hair. So for installation purposes though, I am using a 4-point rotation. I am gonna show you how I do it, but I'm also gonna link down to Finetti's, and I hope I pronounced that properly. Finetti has a pretty detailed video on her channel as to, for those of you who are new to interlocking, on how to go about interlocking. She has a very detailed video. So I'm going to show you what I do. But if you need step-by-step instructions and a detailed video on how to go about interlocking, I would recommend that you check out Finetti's video, and I will link that down in the description box for you to check out. Okay, so I have my strand of hair, and I know this camera is probably going to go in and out of focus. So I have my hair, okay. I believe it's as straight as I can get it. I'm gonna check my mirror off camera. Hold on. All right, so I had to fix that part in a little bit. Okay, so now that I have my section, I split it and then I twist, like I do a 2-strand twist almost, right? Then I twist the ends, and then I start to interlock. So I push you can enter at your 4 points. So I'm going here. This direction would pretty much be my 3 o'clock, I believe, 3 to 9 o'clock, I think. Or it's 9 to 3, I think it is. So 9 to 3, I go in. 12 to 6, and I pull up my 6 to 12. Then I go in from 9 to 3 with my finger, but I'm gonna pull my hair from 3 to 9. Then I insert my finger from 6 to 12, and I'm gonna pull my hair down from 12 to 6. Again, I insert my finger from 9 to 3. I pulled 3 to 9. I'm inserting my finger from 12 to 6, right? And I'm making sure I go all the way down where the hair is locked or interlocked. So insert my finger 12 to 6, and I'm gonna bring the hair through from 6 to 12. I insert my finger from 9 to 3. I'm gonna pull my hair from 3 to 9. I insert my finger from 6 to 12, and I'm gonna pull my hair from 12 to 6. And I'm just gonna keep doing that with my fingers till I can't go any further. And make sure you're trying to insert, every time you insert your finger, make sure you're trying to go through the center of the lock. So this is the last rotation I was able to get with my fingers. So now I am gonna go in with my tool. Now, it's probably gonna get a bit confusing because when I was doing it with my fingers, I was inserting my finger in one direction, pulling the hair in a different direction. Because I am now using my tool, I don't need to go in 2 different directions, okay? So I just need to enter in the way I want the hair to go. So I'm taking the ends of my hair and inserting it through my needle and pulling it. Okay, and then I'm pulling it tight. I am gonna go, normally with my finger I would go in this way and pull back that way. So I'm just gonna go in with the tool and then I'm gonna go in this way, pull down to the lock part, if you can see that, and go that way. Okay, then I'm gonna go up. Okay, I'm gonna go from 6 to 12. Pull up. I'm gonna go in from 9 to 3, or 3 to 9. This way. And then I'm gonna go in from 12 to 6. I don't know if you can see that. That way. And that's pretty much it. That's how I interlock my hair. Took a little while longer because it's on camera, but I can pretty much be done with my hair in a couple minutes per lock. Okay, I may increase the size a bit, I don't know, it's looking a little bit small and thin. But we'll see as I go along. So yeah guys, that's how I install my locks. Hopefully I can be done with this section today. I started really late, so I'm not expecting to make a lot of progress today, but I am hoping that I can be done with this one section here today. But yeah, that's pretty much it. But that's pretty much it for this video. I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and give it the thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, drop them down below and I'll be sure to get back to you. Stay tuned for the next one. You guys will see me in the next one, but until next time, be happy, live rich, be blessed.